Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair and a makeup transformation video. So I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful no locs crochet, and I'll also show you guys how I apply my makeup. So the hair that I'll be installing is No Locs by Xtrend. They actually sent me the hair in this cute little drawstring bag, which I think is a step up from their usual plastic packaging. The drawstring bag contains 6 packs of No Locs, 18 inches long and in the color 30. It also came with a crochet pin and some hair accessories. So to install the hair, I'll just go ahead to braid my hair in this pattern. I decided to braid my hair this way because I wanted to do the individual crochet look, but I didn't want to spend all day doing it, so this pattern of install is a lot faster for me. So what I do is place the crochet pin into the base of my braid. Then I put the loop of the locks into the lash hook and pull it out all the way. With the crochet pin still in the loop of the locks, I'll place the tip of my hair and the tip of the locks and pull it through the loop of the locks, and then pull the locks all the way through.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
After doing that, I start to unravel the locks and then gradually wrap the locks around my hair till I've completely covered my hair. Something to note is that if you're wrapping the locks on your braid and it's not staying in place, then that's probably because you're wrapping in the wrong direction. You have to wrap the braid in the original pattern in which the locks was twisted so that the locks can stay in place.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Next, I placed the locks in between my palms, and then I kind of rubbed my palms against the locks to completely seal the locks.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
On the cornrows, I installed the locks using the regular crochet method.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
For the makeup transformation, I am just going to show you guys how I apply my makeup from start to finish.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the...
This is the finished look, guys. I ended up using only 4.5 packs out of 6 packs for a full head. This hair is so cute and super versatile. You can literally style this any way you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you would like to see more of this kinds of videos, or just suggest to me what kinds of videos you want or you would like to see. And then don't also forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
The storms we chase are leading us, and